Why do so many hardworking people stay broke? I'm not talking about lazy people. I'm talking about well-disciplined people. Early mornings, late nights, sometimes even two jobs. And yet, financially, nothing compounds. Now, here is the uncomfortable truth. Hard work does not automatically create wealth. Across different countries, different economies, different currencies, it's always the same pattern. People are busy, but they are not building. Most people work for income, but very few work for ownership. Income is for survival, ownership gives you leverage. The real mistake is not about earning money. The mistake is making income the final destination instead of the starting point. When salary increases, lifestyle needs skyrockets, better apartments, better cars, more visible upgrades. But wealth only grows when assets grow faster than lifestyle. And most people tend to reverse that order. This is not just a financial issue, it's an identity issue. One, a salary earner will ask this question: how much did I make this year? How much will I earn next year? How much will I earn next 2 years? But a builder will ask, what do I need to own now that is going to pay me next year? You understand? So that difference changes everything. Some will say, not everyone earns enough to invest. Yeah, that's valid. I agree. Income matters. But mindset shows up even at the smallest, tiniest level. There are very modest earners quietly building portfolios, and there are high earners living paycheck to paycheck. So the difference is not about the income, but it's about the structure. Stop asking, how much did I earn? And start asking, what do I need to acquire? Assets, APT, skills that compound. If your money only moves when you move, you are renting survival. Wealth begins when your effort creates something that outlives your efforts. Okay, let me say something that sounds responsible but yet incomplete. Saving money is not enough. Saving will give you protection, but it does not give you growth. Many people feel financially disciplined because they save consistently. That's good. It shows restraint, it shows planning. But money sitting still is not the same as money growing. You know that, right? Inflation, on the other hand, quietly reduces purchasing power every single year. Let's take for instance, if inflation is at 8% and your bank gives you 2%, your money is already shrinking by 6% annually in real terms. So you just don't feel it immediately. It's a silent erosion. Now, let me be clear. This does not mean that you should stop saving. Mm-mm. That would be reckless, because saving creates stability. You need an emergency fund, ideally 6 months of living expenses. Saving protects you from panic. They protect you from debt spirals. But once stability is established, staying only in savings becomes a different kind of risk. The risk is about stagnation, and this is where many people freeze. You know why? I will give you three reasons. First, lack of financial education. Secondly, fear of loss. A lot of people are fear of losing. And the third one, financial trauma. Maybe they lost money before, or they saw someone else lose money. Maybe they were taught that investing is gambling, but there is risk in doing nothing. But the difference is understanding the type of risk. Reckless risk is emotional.